Hello friends, this video is about National Institute of Technology Calicut call for the various positions on contract basis. There are many vacancies for different streams, almost 17 vacancies are there. In this video I am going to highlight you some of the vacancies which are related to the engineering stream, and I am going to brief you about how to apply for this job and what are the qualification required and what is the pay scale for each category, etc. So we will move on to the categories now. Project technical assistant. So the qualification required is either BE or BTech with first class or a 3 years diploma in engineering, and the experience required is minimum 3 years as a technical assistant in a government education or research institute, or else awareness and preparation of technical specification of equipment and components is required as the experience. And the next category is project network technician, in which BTech or BE or 3-year diploma in computer science engineering or electronics engineering is the educational qualification required, and the minimum of 6 years experience is required in the field of installation, management and maintenance desktop and server operating systems in Windows and Linux, or in the field of networking, or in the field of installation, maintenance and management of IP phones and IP phone servers. So these are the experience required. And the next category is project hardware technician. Qualification required is BTech or BE in computer science engineering or electronics engineering, and here also a minimum of 6 years of experience is required in the field of same as that of the previous case. And then we have project junior network technician, in which either BE or BTech in computer science or electronics engineering, or a 3-year diploma program in computer engineering or electronics engineering is preferable, and experience required is 5 years. Then we have technical assistant, networking and hardware maintenance. The qualification required is either BE or BTech in the computer science or electronics engineering, and a minimum of 5 years of experience is required in the field of installation, management and maintenance of operating systems, or in the field of networking, or in IP phone servers. Next we have technical assistant, networking and website maintenance. The qualification and the experience is required as in the previous case, like minimum of 5 years of experience is required. Next we have technical assistant, and here the qualification required is first class degree in either BE or BTech from computer science or computer hardware maintenance field. So how can you apply for this positions? Are you can apply through online mode, and this is the official website given, www.nitc.ac.in, and under that you have to click on the link online application for applying. And the starting date for application is 20th July 2020 and it ends at 5th August 5 p.m. And after submitting the online application, the hard copy with photocopies of relevant documents must be sent via postal, and the full address is given in the notification. So the hard copy of the application must reach the institute by 21st August 2020 before 4 p.m. The other instructions are: the eligible candidate will be informed regarding the date and the mode of selection process based on the reopening of institute and the courses. Candidates without original certificate cannot be permitted for the selection process. So the official website and the notification link have been provided in the description for your reference. I hope this video is useful for you. Kindly subscribe to my channel. All the best. Thank you.